smaller ones?
Very small. $16,990.
Ooh, bargain price. We like bargains. It's got an awning.
It's
Nice little
small, but it's got what you need. And the price is
two
right.
burning. Yeah, I would say for the price,
There's no curtain, but I imagine we could probably,
pretty easy to hang one.
maybe, I don't know.
This has got everything you would need for a camper. It's got a nice rear end bathroom, air conditioned.
Oh, show price 15.
It's a 20-foot.
Yep, 20 foot, 3,000 pounds, only 385 on the hitch.
It's not bad at all.
No.
That's kind of what we need.